Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use filter function in Microsoft Excel. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. I will take it a token of appreciation, so please keep supporting me. Let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel data here. Firstly, look at the left side. I have made a table to apply the filter function formula. In column A, I have taken some names, and in column B, there is department's name, and in column C, there is some locations of all the employees, and in fourth column, there is salary of different employees in every department. So this is the data set. Now look at the right side. I have made two tables here. In table 1 there is only department. I have to write department name here, and in second table I will apply filter function formula here. Every time whenever I will change department name here, the remaining data will automatically change. So let's start it. For example, I will write HR in department cell, and in second table I will write filter function formula here. Simply write equal filter, open the bracket, and in array you have to select all the table here and then press comma, and in include you have to select all the department names column and write equal and select the department cell which I have write HR in it. Now press comma, and in null space you have to write not found in quotation marks and then close the bracket. Now press enter button, and the data is filtered here from the original table. Match the data. Simply see the data is matched. Now I will change department name here. I will write IT in department cell. See, the data is changed here. In department cell, see, all the cells are IT, and in location there is salary table, and this is the name table. Now match the data set with this filtered data. This is the exact one. Now again I will change department name here. This time I will write marketing, and see the data of marketing is filtered here. Now to apply not found option here, I will write department name here which is actually not existing in this department column. For example, I will write accounts department here. Now apply the formula. See, the data is not found because in the original table there is no accounts option in department column. Now again change the department name here and see the results. So that's how to use filter function in Microsoft Excel or filter formula in Excel. If you have any question about the entire process, then please tell me in comment section. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching and keep supporting me.